It's time to see about the principal operations that can be carried out on a simple lathe without any complications. But what are those operations and how can we do them? Let's find these answers. So, basically the first operation that can be done on a simple lathe is turning with subtypes straight turning, step turning and taper turning. Subsequently, other process comes into picture such as facing, thread cutting, knurling, drilling, boring, chamfering, parting off and finally grooving. Where turning is manufacturing process in which material is removed from the cylindrical workpiece along its length whenever it is rotating. Now don't worry about how it is happening or how to operate lathe in this manner. In turning there are subtypes known as step turning and taper turning, where the straight turning is the turning shown before. Step turning is turning in which the workpiece is drawn into the different steps of individual diameter as shown. In taper turning, the path of tool is just inclined to the rotating axis of workpiece. So this was about turning. Now next comes facing. And yes, facing is two basic operation in which operator is subjected to remove the material from the face of workpiece. Means it is the machining perpendicular to the rotating axis of workpiece. After facing, we can move to the threading, and threading is one of the most complicated work on the lathe, in which helical grooves are produced by feeding the tool along the job axis. Do you remember those vertical strips on a plastic bottle? Yes, that is the next process called knurling, where these sharp tips of this tool are being forced slightly deeper into the workpiece. Subsequently comes most powerful operation forever on a lathe, which is drilling, in which a hole is formed on the face of workpiece using a twist drill of required size. But this do not give needed roughness value or surface finish. To gain higher finishing, next process comes into picture, which is boring. Hey, it's not a boring job. Actually, it is most attention needed job where the hole into workpiece is enlarged for the required dimension with high surface finish. Once your job is finished and you want to remove it from other material, then you have to part it off, which is the next process called parting off. Here a tool comes into picture called parting tool. Condition is that the tool should move with low and uniform motion. Sometimes there is a structure like this on the pistons or other jobs which are to be manufactured by using next process called grooving, in which shape of groove is directly concerned with the shape of the tool, that is grooving tool. Once the job is ready, it is needed to be chamfered on the sharp edges like this for assembly purpose or safety purpose or both. So, these were some of the, in fact, all of the basic manufacturing process that can be done on a lathe. Bye bye.